Okay. So what are the vendors we have created for this one? Any idea? Have you written? We will check in FBL 1N.
53000162 53000190.
1 second. Close the sessions. What are the vendors we have created? From which to which?
16 to 19.
16 to 19, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So open item. So let me check here. Special GL. Noted items. Okay. So click on execute. First vendor. First vendor. 1,41,750. 1,80,000. First vendor. Second invoice. I think for 72,800. Okay, this is next one. Singapore dollars, we have posted third vendor if I'm not wrong. This is Singapore dollar. Okay. Okay, this is the partial. Advance required, partial payment. Write down. The step most important. So the liabilities are ready. Now write down. Automatic payment run. Within the bracket, if you can write multiple vendors. Automatic payment run. APP. SAP menu. Accounting. SAP menu. Accounting. Financial accounting. Accounts payable. Accounts payables. Periodic processing. Periodic processing. Payments. Transaction code F110. Very important, this F110. Okay, SAP menu. Accounting. SAP menu. Accounting. Okay, financial accounting. Financial accounting. Accounts payable. Accounts payable. Periodic processing. Periodic processing. F110 payments. F110 payments. Okay, there's a payment screen, automatic payment screen. Okay. Okay, so here run date is nothing but on which date you are running the payment. So that date we have to give. Okay, so here I'll give today's date, F4, F2. Oh, sorry, manually I'll give or else it's already, sorry, F110. So don't select F4, this one. So give here as an, what is that? What is today's, sorry, 20.
21.
20.
As per system 20.
Yeah, I'm not sure because server date is 1 day before it will take. So let me check here, 2023. Okay. So run date, identification in the sense, what is mean by identification in the sense? See, for example, on 21st 11, we are going to run 10 different runs. 10 different runs. Morning 7 o'clock, we have run one payment run. Morning 9 o'clock, we have run one payment run. Afternoon 12 o'clock, we have run one payment run. 2 o'clock, we have run one payment run. 4 o'clock, we have run one payment run. And 6 o'clock. So multiple payment runs we are running for this particular company code. Okay. Then we need to identify which payment run we are doing it. So that is the reason we need to give identification. So it's very important. Okay, so here I'll give, what is our company? Birla, right? So Birla, I'll give as per Birla APP1, Birla APP1, press enter. So here it is showing, right on this, no parameters entered yet. So it is showing no parameters entered yet. So the parameters has been not, just remember this identification also, BAPP1. So check payment I'll take, BACP1, Birla check payment. No parameters, as it means no configurations has been done as from end user side. So here click on parameters, click on parameters. Okay, this is parameters, posting date and document entered up to. So which date? So normally we will do every week a payment run. So document enters up to till which date? Okay, so we need to give the document enters up to date. Okay, next one, company code UT01. Next payment date. For example, tomorrow we are doing the payment date. Next payment date we are doing tomorrow. Okay, then I'll give it as in 22nd 11 2023, 22/11/2023, and vendors from five three 16 to. So here normally what they will do, they will give multiple vendors. Every week they will run. So we are going to configure in such a way that it's going to be run, it's going to be take from starting to end date. Whatever open items are there, that it will pick. Okay, so here I'll give 19, right? Last document, last vendor.
Yes.
Yeah, 19. Just give the document. If at all any customers are there, you can give here customer accounts also. Just write it down. So here I'm giving posting date, automatically it will pick documents entered up to. If you want to change anything here, we can change it as per the client requirement. And next payment run, if it is every day, the next day payment, or every week, the next week payment run. Okay. So next one, additional log. Additional log, click on additional log. Free selection, leave it blank, no problem. So here, payment method, sorry. Payment method we need to mention here, check C. Okay, payment method check. And next, click on additional log. Click on additional log. Okay, so here due date check. First it need to check due date check. If the documents are due, first that has to be checked. And payment method, what payment method? What is the payment method we have selected? C. So it need to check for all the documents which are open, due for payment. It need to check whether it's a belongs to check payment method or not. So that check has been done. Okay, this is not required. Payment method selection if not successful. Okay, then next, this is not required. Next one, line items of the payment documents, line item. So every line item of the payment document need to be selected. Okay. So what we can do here, we can give the document numbers here, vendor numbers also, same vendors numbers. So normally we can give normal third party vendors, employee vendors. Okay, all this we can do it here. 5,16,000. 5,16,000 to 5,19,000. Okay, 5,16,000 to 5,19,000. Select this. Select this. So right now, due date check. Payment method selection in all cases. Next one, line item of the payment documents. Fine. So click on save button. Save parameters. So details have been saved for BACP1. You can see, write down this one, payment run method identification. Details have been saved for the run 21/11/2023 BACP1. Now, if you go to click on status button, earlier what it was showing parameters have not been entered. Now we can see here, go to status button. You can see it will change to from red to green. Parameters have been entered. Parameters have been entered. Just write it down this message. So once after giving all the parameters and additional log, this will be selected as an parameters have been entered. Okay. Go to proposal. Go to proposal, schedule proposal. Go to schedule proposal. Click on proposal button. Did you ever worked on F110?
No, Naveen.
No, no.
Okay. Schedule proposal. Okay, 21/11. So just click on start immediately. Select start immediately option. Click on start immediately option. Click on start immediately option. Okay, click on continue button. Click on schedule or continue button. So here proposal is ready to start. Okay, you can see in yellow this one, proposal is ready to start, and press enter. Payment proposal not carried out. Why? Any problem? What I'll do? Well, I'll do another. I'll delete this payment run. I'm just deleting. Let me check here. Again, I'll give. Okay, I'll create one more BACP2. BACP2. Let me check here. I don't know what was the configuration. BACP2. Right, go to parameters. So same thing I'm giving 21/11 UT01 payment method C. '19. Click on additional log. You check payment method in all cases. Line item display. I'm not sure. 16, 19. Okay, click on save button. Okay, go to status bar. Click on proposal. Start immediately. Proposal, payment proposal could not be carried out. Why? Vendors are same, right? No, not an issue with the vendors, right?
No, Naveen.
Started program SAP variant. If I do output. You're able to understand this?
I think
No,
in payment method, we have to change it.
payment method is perfect. Not an issue here. Payment method, we have given check only, right?
Yes.
We have given check only payment method. Let me check. Not here. Actually, it is not connecting with the server. Connections to SAP GTS.
Okay. Okay.
1 second. Let me check once again. We have selected C only. Select C only. Let me check because it's a server is slow or what, I don't know. See, this is not your server. Whatever server I have given to you, that is a different server.
Yes, ma'am.
That's what I'm saying. Because the old one, what I was there, I'm just continuing that as you know that. So what I'll do, because it's almost like a government server. So I'll delete this proposal, delete proposal. Why I'm deleting proposal in the sense, see, if the vendors will be blocked in this payment. So if I give any identification, okay, then what happens is the vendors and documents will be blocked in the previous this thing. Okay, so what I'll do, proposal, again, I'll go with the parameters. Sorry. We'll select from here. See here, it was selected. Click on OK. Next payment run 22. Additional lot. Due date. Okay, click on save button. Click on save button. Click on save button. Status. Okay, click on proposal. Click on proposal. Click on start immediately. See, because we have selected that also, payment could not be carried out. Required. One second, give me a second time. Just I'm checking with the person. The server is slow.
Okay, no.
Are you facing any issues with our server?
Till now, no, Naveen.
Till now, no, right? That's what. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, he
Naveen.
said it is little slow.
Okay.
It will take a refresh time actually set. But still refresh time is also not sufficient. I'll change the date and I'll check. Again, I'll run edit. We'll see for the last time. 20th. 2023. We'll see. Fine.
Mm, Naveen, it will be error, I think.
Sorry,
The posting date we have posted on.
I'm just checking yesterday's date with yesterday's date.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, it is posting date in the past. No, same issue. Even I tried with the posting date also.
If the same issue we face in real time,
No. Normally
stop.
what happens is, no, we won't face near real time these issues. And in your server also, you're not going to face this issue.
Okay.
Yeah, because as I said that it is taking a refresh time.
Okay.
Yeah. Since morning he's getting the calls like this for other modules also.
Okay.
Because GTS, I'll show you that connection also. GTS connection is failed. See here, unavailable connection to SAP GTS. So that's the reason I have taken previous data, bad data.
Got it.
It is nothing but it is not able to check the process. See, check in the sense it's not a payment method check. It's a checking we have selected, right? To check, no check can be made in SAP GTS and automatic payment process, right? And next one, processing terminated due to unavailability connection to SAP GTS. So it is not running, it's a program, right? It's a APP program. So in the program, it is not continuing it one vendor after another vendor, it is not checking. The process is getting terminated before checking itself. So if you are done till here, kindly check in your server whether this particular thing, so whether you are able to do it or not. So before it should be in the loop, right? Before that only, if it entering into the program only, before entering into the program only, that program is getting terminated. Hope you understood.
Yes, Naveen.
First, it is not checking even one vendor, the payment method and all the details, and immediately it is terminating, and it is coming as in this particular loop, end of log, and job is finished. Okay. Any questions here? So I'm sorry, like we don't have time left. Okay, so what we will do, we will continue from Friday onwards, because it may take some time to refresh. If you are okay. Because
Okay,
I didn't even know the process, because the other server where I am taking for other batch, a new server, so that was working perfectly. So kindly check in your server if you have completed this vendor part. Okay, so that we can continue.
Okay, Naveen.
I'm sorry, and I'm not going to share this recording. Any recordings
No
are
problem.
yeah, any recordings are pending? Any recordings are pending to share?
Need to check Naveen once.
Yeah, please let me know, so that today I'll do it by afternoon. If anything is
Okay.
pending, and same thing we will repeat, and mostly that should be rectified by Monday, and if Friday, and if you are able to do it, the F110 part, just do it from your end. And kindly let me know if you are facing any issues.
Okay, Naveen.
Yeah,
Sure,
thank you.
Naveen.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Naveen.
Thank you.